Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Woburn Toyota in Woburn, Massachusetts, we have the 2022 GMC Sierra AT4X. I've driven a ton of Sierras, but not the new refresh, and it's a very good step for GMC. Look at this interior. My biggest complaint with GM was their interiors. This definitely is a step in the right direction. Suede headliner, sunroof, AT4X on the seats. Wow. Just look at this interior. I mean, come on. Just all your backup cameras. Let's go for a drive. I will say, this interior, this change is absolutely amazing. And this isn't even the Denali. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. And then once you're cruising on the highway, this thing's comfortable. Very, very comfortable. You know, I gotta say, I obviously, like I said before, spent a lot of time in these. This is just nice. It's just way better. I always said Ram, Ford had GM beat on interiors. Even Toyota now, well, I think they still do. This changes that. This puts GM back on the playing field. And now I'm finally like, okay, alright, this is good. I'm okay with this. Actually, I'm not okay with it. I like it. Previous gen was just way too dated. Way too dated for what we were charged, for what these were going for. With that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.